So hello and welcome to Techfinna YouTube channel. Today we are going to understand how does advanced Odoo Power BI connector works and why so many Odoo users are upgrading from the basic connector to this one. If you have ever wanted to take your Power BI reports from good to great, this video is going to be super useful for you. So the basic connector already helps you link Odoo with Power BI and pull your data for reports. But our advanced connector takes that same foundation and makes it much more powerful. You get the feature like automatic schedule refresh, complex SQL query execution, and lifetime technical support, all built right inside your Odoo. So right now, I assume that you already know how to connect your Power BI with Odoo. You can simply copy the connector URL and access token and open your Power BI and create a report. You have to simply click on Get Data and click on More. Now you have to search for Techfinna and you have to click on Techfinna connector. After clicking on connect, it is going to ask you for the URL and token. You have to simply copy and paste it from your Odoo settings page like this. Here you can see that I have an option to paste a query. Here you can execute your complex SQL query. So this is the star feature of this connector. For example, I'm going to use an SQL query that I have created. Now in the SQL query, what I have done is I have obtained the customer info, the sales info, and the account related info from these three different tables. If I had to use the standard connector, then I had to load these three tables one by one, which would take a lot of time. But now using the SQL query, I can simply pull the desired columns from each of the tables and thereby save a lot of execution time. Also, I have composed this SQL query using Odoo data model, specially made to view your Odoo table relationships in ER diagrams. Like right now, I'm going to search for an Odoo table, sale order line, and it is going to show me all of the relation related to this sale underscore order underscore line. I can also click on any other table related to this like res underscore user and see further tables also. So now after understanding the relationship between the tables, I can use it to craft an SQL query which will pull only the desired data for my report. It will save a lot of time since I do not have to import every table separately. After executing, you can see that I can have a preview of all the column name and the rows of the table I want to extract data from. Now, since I have seen that the query is working fine, I'm going to copy this query and paste it in Power BI window, and then we are going to fetch the data. After pasting it here, I'm going to name it as query 1 and click on OK. Once it is executed, I can connect this dataset directly to Power BI. No manual exports or no messy scripts included. In the left side, you can see that the query has been executed, and clicking on query 1, you can see that I can see a little preview on the right side. I'm going to simply click on the checkbox and click on load. Now you can see that the SQL query has been executed, and in the right side I can use these column names to populate any chart that I want. Right now I'm going to select a pie chart and use the data from the right side. I'm going to simply click on the name field and amount total. You can see that the data has been populated. You can use many more charts to create more informative reports for your dashboards. Now this gives you full flexibility to create precise reports the way you want by using the SQL feature. Now we are going to discuss about the other feature, which is automatic schedule refresh. You can schedule your Odoo data to refresh automatically, daily, weekly, or however you prefer. That means your Power BI dashboard will always have the latest data without you hassling to manually import the data. So if you are looking to take your Odoo reporting to the next level, the Odoo Power BI Advanced Connector is your upgrade path, and Odoo data model is your perfect companion. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any issue or suggestion regarding this module, feel free to reach out to us at info@techfinna.com.